So this is the main page. Basically, it is developed by Google DeepMind team, and the tool name is Veo 2. And as the Google claims, it is the state of the art video generation model. So what you are seeing or viewing on the screen, these are the videos being generated by this tool. As you can see, they look very realistic, very promising. All the graphics are very highly definition, and Google claims they can generate over 4K video generation as compared to Sora. The Sora can only generate the videos up to 1080 pixel, but this particular tool, View 2, can generate the 4K videos. So it is generating the real videos, the dog underwater, as you can see, the cartoonic videos, and also the animations. So let's move forward. What it says: video created with the realistic motion and high quality output up to 4K. As I said, explore the different styles and find your own with extensive camera control. So this is particularly a great feature with this. You can have the advanced camera controls to control the latest camera features like the shutter speed, like the lens of the camera, like the cinematic kind of a camera setting. So you can define or make a very complex prompt, and it will generate the realistic motion. So why they claim realistic motion? Because we have seen in the past the videos being generated by the AI tools, they doesn't look good, they doesn't look real, because of the motion is not being realistic, and the bone movements and the eye movements and the generated elements of the video, it doesn't look real. But here we can see everything is generated very crystal clear with the great realistic motions. So what they claim next is redefining quality and control. The viewer 2 is able to faithfully follow simple and complex instructions. Like, you can define or you can prompt any kind of simple prompt, like you want to generate a video on the sea, like on the beach. You can just say generate a video on the beach for the sunset. So it will generate a very cool video for that. But on the other side, you can also say you can complex it the prompt with more details, like generate a video of the sunset on the beach with the 18 millimeter lens, having like the cinematic videography, having the sunlight and also the shades of the trees. So you can make it more and more complex for camera settings and all that. So it will generate a good video for that also. And what it will do, it will convincingly simulate real world physics as well as wide range of visual styles. So here are the three main claims of this piece of software. One is the enhanced realism, as we spoke earlier, for the real motion, advanced motion capabilities, and also great camera control options. So this one is generated by this tool Veo 2. As you can see, it looks very real. All the expressions, the face movements, the bone movements. So you can see the prompt here. An extreme close-up shot focuses on the face of a female DJ. Her beautiful, voluminous black curly hair framing her features as she becomes completely absorbed in the music. Okay, so we have seen that, like, it looks so real for the prompt. In the next, we can see a cartoonic character. The prompt is this medium shot with a shallow depth of field, portrays a cute cartoon girl with wavy brown hair sitting upright in the 1980s kitchen. So it is recreating those scenes. This prompt is for like of a product photography, as you can see, like the tea and the honey and the things like. And this one is like the bee hunter kind of a video with having honey in the hand. As you can see, here also comes some little advanced prompts, like the camera floats gently through rows of pastel painted wooden beehive. So it comes from down to up, and kind of a camera motion is also being followed by this very great Veo 2. So the next is View 2 outperforms other leading video generation models. So this is a great claim by Google, like they outperform the Sora and any other tools which are being in the market for video generation based on human evaluations of its performance. So this is another example of this tool. So what this prompt say, as you can see, this is little advanced prompt, low angle tracking shot. So here comes the technicality of the camera, 18mm lens, the car drifts, leaving trails of light and tire smoke, creating visually striking and abstract composition. This looks so real for this prompt, and also very more details about it, about the scene. So this looks like a very advanced kind of a Hollywood video scene, as you can see for this video. So the next are the benchmarks for how it is performing in comparison to the Meta and the other tools for OpenAI, the Sora. You can see also the some more details, the more video generation. So this video we are like observing this tool will be a game changer in the video generation for AI prompts. This looks so real for any kind of video, for animals, for scenes, for cinematography shots, and also Veo represents a significant step forward in high quality video generation, as we have seen that already. Look at this scene. This looks so real, and also the great cinematography kind of a shot, and great details of the scene, including the candles, including the character, the emotions, expressions, and also the characters in the background. Everything is so perfectly generated with this one. So there are many other options available, and they have shown us you can generate the unlimited amount of, like, the sky is the limit for this. As you can see, this generation is also great. And this one, you can see this character looks so real with the sunlight in the background. And this is the prompt. A wide static shot reestablishes the entire skate park. So you can see the skate park is looks so real. So here are the acknowledgements for this. So to cut story short, this is a great tool. We look forward for going it public. You can just come here and sign up for the video effects to give it a try from the Google. And for more videos like this and the updates, we will keep updating you on the WP Academy, and I will make sure we can have some more quality data coming in, and we will be covering more AI tools in great details. And I will be following up with this tool and all other updates with Sora with the more comparison. So the basic conclusion is this tool looks so real with the great emotions and the bone movements and the muscle movements and the video generation with realistic motion. And the Sora is only capable to generate 1080 pixel of videos, and also Sora can only generate for 30 seconds of video length. In comparison, this Veo 2, this can generate the 4K videos, and also the video length can go up to 60 seconds. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.